Okay guys, so the thing we need to do is create a Google account. And as you can see here, it says go to the Google account creation page, enter your name. If you need an adult to help you with this, then do so, and make sure that you verify the mobile number. It's all very straightforward. It's just the same process as signing up for an email address. If you have a Gmail email address, then you already have a YouTube account. So I'm going to use a fictitious name. I'm going to call myself Awesome YouTuber. Let's have a cool username, Awesome YouTuber 2020. And we'll just get a password. So we need to create a password. I like to use passwordgenerator.net. I'm going to paste that into my password box and then click next. Yay, we've got success there. I'm going to put my mobile number in there, recovery email address. If you need that to be a parent's email address, use that one. I'm going to use my date of birth. And let's fill in all those details. I'm gonna hit that there. That will send me a code then which will verify my account. Let me hit send on that, and I should get a text message. Got a text message from Google. I put that code in there. My code is 366 141. That is the way it works. Verify that account. Now I just got to go through the terms and conditions. I accept. You won't get an account if you don't accept. So just to confirm, now we have an account. Here's how easy it is to set up your YouTube account. I click on the 9 tiles here in Google Apps. I go to YouTube. Here it says sign in. If I click the avatar in the top corner, you can see the first option is to create a channel. Let's do that. What we're going to do is we're going to create a channel using the name and picture of your Google account. And ta-da! Nice work. We have a new channel.